The MQ-9 Reaper is one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles ever deployed by the United States military. Often described as the evolution of modern warfare, the Reaper combines long endurance, precision strike capability, and real-time intelligence, all without putting a pilot in the sky. Developed by General Atomics, the MQ-9 Reaper was designed to do far more than surveillance. Unlike earlier drones, it is a true hunter-killer platform. With a wingspan of over 20 meters and powered by a turboprop engine, the Reaper can stay airborne for up to 27 hours and operate at altitudes of around 50,000 feet. One of its most impressive features is its long operational range. Thanks to satellite communication, the MQ-9 can be controlled across distances of over 2,000 kilometers, allowing it to conduct missions far beyond the battlefield while being operated from the other side of the world. What truly sets the MQ-9 Reaper apart from other drones is its payload and firepower. It can carry a combination of Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and precision munitions, enabling it to identify, track, and eliminate targets with remarkable accuracy. At the same time, its advanced sensor systems provide high-resolution video, infrared imaging, and real-time data to commanders on the ground. The MQ-9 plays a crucial role in modern military operations. Its primary mission areas include intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, but it is also widely used for targeted strikes, close air support, and convoy protection. Because it can loiter over an area for hours, it offers a level of situational awareness that manned aircraft simply cannot match. In today's conflicts, the MQ-9 Reaper represents a shift in how wars are fought, emphasizing precision, persistence, and reduced risk to human life. Silent, relentless, and highly capable, the Reaper has become one of the most important assets in the modern military arsenal.